Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about skincare for beginners. If you have no idea where to start with your skincare routine, or you have been overwhelmed by seeing all the products in the market or the 9-step, 10-step skincare routine, then I'm here to help you out and tell you what are the basic steps that you need to follow to begin with a skincare routine. You have to remember to keep it simple. So we start with a 3 or 4-step skincare routine only, and once you're comfortable, you can add more products later on. Whatever skin type you may have, these 4 steps are very essential. Number 1, cleansing. A minimum of 2 times of cleansing is very essential, morning and night. And if you are applying makeup, it is important that you first remove all the makeup with micellar water and then wash your face again, so there is double cleansing. After you've cleansed your face thoroughly, you've removed all the dirt and the oil from your skin, the next step is to nourish it. The second step will be an antioxidant serum. An antioxidant serum reduces the cellular inflammation that is caused by the oxidative stress and the free radicals. Antioxidant serum not only help in protecting your skin, it also helps in reducing pigmentation, fine lines, and acts as an anti-aging ingredient. Now, if you have sensitive skin, you can also use a hyaluronic acid based serum. A hyaluronic acid also has some antioxidant properties. Your third step is a sunscreen. It is important that you choose your sunscreen correctly. An SPF of 30 to 50 with a PA+++ on a sunscreen is very important. When we think of sunscreens, if you're only looking at the SPF, remember that SPF is only telling us about the sun protection that we get from UVB rays. There are also UVA rays which are as much as damaging and actually cause more pigmentation. So PA+++ on the sunscreen is important. Choose your sunscreen depending on your skin type. If you have oily skin, go for a light gel-based product. If you have dry skin, then you can use a cream-based product. Your final step is a moisturizer. Yes, even if you have oily skin, a moisturizer is must. For oily skin types, you can use lightweight gel-based moisturizers which contain hyaluronic acid. If you have dry skin, then cream-based moisturizers are good. Look for ingredients like ceramides which help in keeping the skin barrier intact. So these are your 4 steps that you need to remember to start with a basic, simple skincare routine. If you want to know more about skincare routines, or you want a customized skincare routine for yourself, DM us and we will get back to you.